All right, those are just my graham cracker halves. Now I'm coming in with some melted chocolate, and we're just gonna drizzle that right on top of these graham crackers. Ooh, that looks so good. It smells amazing. Is there anything better in summer than some melted chocolate, some graham crackers? Oh, this looks incredible. Now I'm just gonna kind of give this a light little swoop side to side to make sure all of my grahams are covered. Oh yeah, y'all. This is so nice. A summer treat that you don't have to turn your oven on for. Now I've got my handy dandy strawberry cutter. I'm just gonna place a strawberry in just like that, and it's gonna cut it into little pieces for me. I'm gonna use these to just line the perimeter of my 13 by 9. And if you notice, I did put some saran wrap on the edges because I want to be able to lift this up later on. But you can also use parchment paper or whatever you've got at home that's convenient. I just had saran wrap and thought that would work well. And I'm kind of just putting this on the perimeter, edging outside of my graham crackers and chocolate. All right, now I'm coming in with my 16-ounce Cool Whip, and I'm just gonna start getting this glopped out here right on top of my chocolate. Now you can make your own homemade whipping cream if you prefer, but if you're in a hurry, Cool Whip gets the job done so perfectly. I love Cool Whip. It's just one of my favorite dessert treats. I had it every year at Thanksgiving, at Christmas, and I love that it's so versatile and you can use it for so many different things. You know, I'm coming in with some peanut butter. I just let this melt just a tiny bit. You can put it outside or you can put some in a measuring cup in your microwave. It just depends on how hot it is at your house, your home. I live in Las Vegas, so it's pretty hot here, but yeah. I'm just gonna give this a little gentle swirl and spread into our Cool Whip here. Oh, perfect. You could do this with a no-bake cheesecake too. Oh, that would be so yummy, y'all. But yeah. All right, I'm just coming in with a bunch more of my sliced strawberries. I did use about a 2-pound container. I'll let you know how many that we're using all together here. Once we got this whole thing done, putting in a layer. The fun thing is you could use a different fruit with this. You could change up your ingredients. You can customize your treat however you like. I love strawberries. It's so nice because they're in season and ripe in summer, so they're always on sale. Alrighty, I'm coming in with a second layer of those graham cracker halves, and I'm just gonna continually put those same rows here. I'm using 3 half graham cracker pieces, and we're doing 5 rows for the 13 by 9. You could also do this in an 8 by 8 and use a little bit less of everything. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna put this in my freezer for a couple hours until she's frozen solid. Alrighty, y'all, we ended up leaving this in the freezer overnight. We wanted it to really solidify. Now what I'm gonna try and do is just lift this out. Of course, you probably could use parchment paper here. Look at that, coming out in one piece. I didn't have clips to settle this down into my 13 by 9 there, so I just wanted to go clipless. All right, now that I've got this out of my 13 by 9 and freed of that saran wrap, what I'm gonna do, cut down into this. There we go, just like that. You gotta put a little elbow grease into it. And we're just gonna cut these into individual pieces. All right, y'all, now that I've got these cut into individual squares, we are just plating these up. Y'all, these are our 5 ingredient frozen s'mores. They've got chocolate in them, fresh strawberries, that Cool Whip, which you can always make your own. All right, y'all, the only thing left to do is to give these a try. We've got that layer of peanut butter, layer of strawberries, our Cool Whip, our chocolate, and of course our graham crackers. God, this is really good. You can flavor that Cool Whip if you want. Y'all, this is like an ice cream sandwich s'more. So easy, so good. You gotta try it.